Welcome to the Cozy platform. This video will show you how to complete your installation. So you've now completed your boiler installation for your customer who's been accepted for finance, and you're ready to submit the documentation so you can get paid. To start, click the Confirm Installation button. There are 4 things you need to send us so we can verify your installation: the gas safety certificate, the boiler serial number, a boiler installation photo, and the benchmark form. Let's start by uploading your gas safety certificate. Simply choose a file from your computer or take a picture with your device to send us a picture of the certificate that you've completed. Once this is uploaded, you can then move on to the serial number. Now this can be a picture of the sticker on the boiler, a picture of the sticker on the certificate, some sort of method where we can see the serial number of the boiler you've installed. Third, it's time to upload a picture of the boiler itself in the customer's property. Snap a quick picture on your phone or upload a picture you've taken earlier and press the upload file button to submit this picture. Finally, it's time for the benchmark form. Again, snap a quick picture with your phone, upload it from your computer, whatever's easiest, and upload the file so we can see it at our end. Now with those 4 documents sent to us, we'll check those documents as an admin team to verify your installation. This won't take long and normally can be done within 24 hours. You'll also have a new message in your message centre to let you know that your documents have been submitted successfully, which of course can be cleared as normal using the cross next to the message. Now it's time to wait for us to complete the verification of your installation documents, but when this is done, you'll receive a message like this in your message centre to let you know that the installation's been verified and your invoice is in the process of being generated so that we can pay you within 5 working days. Of course, when your invoice has been generated, you'll see a message in your message centre to let you know this has been done, which can of course, as normal, be cleared using the cross next to it, or you can keep it there just for safekeeping. However, you'll also find the invoices themselves in the invoice centre, which can be found under the Leads tab. Here, you'll find 2 invoices. Firstly, your installation invoice for the amount that you've charged your customer, and of course the 3.5% platform fee invoice. You can view your installation invoice by clicking the View button, which takes you to the invoice itself, of course showing all the correct information that you submitted to us when setting up your account. You can also view the platform fees invoice by using the same method of clicking the blue View button, which shows you the amount that will be deducted from your installation as part of using our service. And that's it. Your installation's complete, your invoice is generated, and you can concentrate on your next customer.